just getting this guy finalized in here into position. Then we'll find a final resting spot for him. I think I found the perfect place for him to, beautiful pinky to grow. Now let's see. I just need sawdust stopping. Just threw the cat some scratching in here. And then we're going to take her home to the new spurt growth area. That's a tad bit heavier than the others. Hope these handles don't bust or something. There, she can hide right here. These other plants, they can help shade them, so she gets just enough sun. Lots of shade cloth, no afternoon sun. And this should do it for this puppy. Let's get some water and water it in.